Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, or My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 61. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Officer Song. Right now, she was still on the hospital. Everyone seems to be silenced. Her sister-in-law was her on the room. Well, probably she's been scolded because she's been careless. They all got worried about her, especially her mother. But right now, looking at Officer Song, it's been half a month and I don't know what happened to Linian. Oh, she was thinking about Linian again. Where's Linian? Where did she go? Song Yuhang, her sister-in-law was calling her. Well, what's wrong, sister? Did you remember when your brother died? You tell me something, anything. Well, back then, since her brother died long time ago, she's the one acting like a father in the family. Sister-in-law, don't be afraid. I will protect you and Xiao Wei in the future. Well, on that time, all she can do is to rely on her. Of course, they got really worried. Suddenly, they have an accident like that. Right now, Song Yuhang said she remember, but her sister-in-law said just remember. Of course, back then, it's like a promise. She's the one who's going to protect her. The accidents right now is really unavoidable. You don't know how I got through these days. If you're gone, how can I, our mother, and Xiao Wei live? Won't be so impulsive in the future. When suddenly the officers went in. Well, the three officers suddenly came in just to visit her or discuss something. It seems that there's some important things that need to be discussed. That's why the officer came in. I will not disturb you. You can talk. I'm going to buy something. Don't disturb her, just to chat. Well, her sister-in-law went out. The three officers went in. Well, probably the chief captain. I came to you. I have something to tell you. During the half month of your injury, finding out what's behind the Miao case. Crime gang. So it turns out the officer have some leads. That scarred face is called Chen Wu. Veteran 10 years ago in the prison for the other crimes. So it turns out that man is already a veteran. Let's see what happened to him. Well, definitely, after being released from the prison, he met with Idol with the society, the codename Bob Society, and become the #1 thug. The criminal gang used the name of recruiting workers. The Sibiang moment. Hemiao was deceived by her uncle like this. Hemiao Miao's children can also basically conclude that they are the fault. So it turns out she was also a victim, and also because of her uncle. Well, definitely, Hemiao is not the first victim. We are also very sorry, but we will make her the last victim. Officer said to Song Yuhang after hearing all of this. Of course, her work is really paid off, but it's not really worth it. Provincial Department has set up the task force in the 6.1 case, Actions Code Aurora. So it turns out they have the case and also a task force that's been to resolute about the case of Hemiao. Song Yuhang, Deputy Captain of Criminal Investigation Detachment of Changshan Public Security Bureau, requests to join the task force and participate in the arrest operation. Well, definitely she really want to go in, but the captain seems not to be in good. Now, he is looking at her. Probably they won't allow her since she has sustained a difficult injury. She need to rest for a while. Of course, she is not in a good state, but this time you still don't participate. After all, your body is not very sharp. But don't worry, this will I give you a good job. Now, she's been praised, but of course, she will not accept this in the investigation again. But you just heard you don't want to die. How can I be punished with her punishment? Well, definitely her reasonable. It's really not good reasoning, but of course, she will push herself and also her own resolute. How can we confirm that the gangsters really loses resistance? Besides, as a leader, I misjudged the situations and did not bring a weapon, which led to all this happening. This is all mine. Right now, she was really convinced she really want to go. The task force and investigation team so she can work out on the case. Also, right now, she want to stand up, but she was still wobbling, a little bit shaky. The officer seems to be worried. Of course, she is not in a good state, especially right now. She really want to convince herself to stood up. I am willing to be the same as Linian. We are together. Please organize approval. Song Yu-hang, she really want to push herself on the team. That's why she's asking the officer together with Linian. Of course, right now, she was standing still. Well, it really makes sense. What a medicine Linian gave you. Isn't it better for you to arrest people and let people go? Report Xiao Han's iron face is selfless. Linian didn't give me any fascinations. Right now, the captain, chief captain, she's thinking that Song Yuhang was thinking like a kid. Of course, right now, she's really on high ego. And she don't want herself to stoop down. Still the same as before. Okay, don't be flattering. How can I teach you to eat inside and out like this? And it's your turn to eat radish here. Well, definitely the captain in chief. Well, she must really agree to the condition of Song Yuhang. I still have one last request. Oh, what could it be? It seems that she was really persistent. On the other hand, 3 days later, well, Islinian is also in the hospital because she also sustained a severe injury. Someone entered the room. Linian said, "Yo, what?" Well, definitely right now. It was her father trying to visit her. The red-headed document has pin issues on the top of to prove that Dr. Lin's innocence. Lin Yuhan, chairman of the Lin's group, Linian's father. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!